you a story, a tale of an amazing legend. A man, all dressed in red, who travels around the world in just one single night. In France, he's known as Père Noël.
In Italy, Babbo Natale.
In the United Kingdom, Father Christmas.
But we all know him as Santa Claus. Oh, he is so awesome. He's so cool. He's so cool.
Now, not a lot of people know this, but when Santa travels around the world, he likes to listen to a little music on his ride. But the sleigh doesn't have a stereo.
No, you'd think he'd upgrade by now, but Santa Claus is an analog guy living in a digital world.
So we are Santa's caroling elves. I'm Barry.
I'm Sophie.
I'm Allie.
And I'm Tinsel.
We sing Christmas carols from all over the world, every country, every culture. So join us as we go around the world in one night.
All around the world,
Hey,
all around the world,
hey,
celebrating the season, let our voices be heard. Lifting our hearts to the song, coming together as one. Say hello to a new year and have a spin around the sun. All around the world.
So we give him a ditty at every stop, just something to feel out the place. Something from France, something from Switzerland, and then zoom, it's back on the sleigh.
it's a one-night show for an audience of one. But tonight, we get to share Santa's Christmas Eve global playlist with all of you.
Oh, I can't wait to hear the audience applaud.
Yeah, you see, the reindeers appreciate us, but it's hard to hear them clapping because, you know, hooves.
All around the world, all around the world, celebrating the season, let our voices be heard. Lifting our hearts to a song, coming together as one. Say hello to a new year and have a spin around the sun. All around the world, deck the halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la. All around the world.
Way around from the north, reindeer settle up and ready to go. Get up now, get up now, get up now.
Lifting our hearts to a song,
Way around from the north, reindeer settle up and ready to go. Get up now, get up now, get up now.
all around the world.
All right, guys.
Our first stop is the UK. Jolly old England.
How exciting.
That's right. That's the home of figgy pudding.
Also the home of Charles Dickens, who wrote his famous A Christmas Carol in musical staves instead of chapters. Now, this next Old English carol has been sung from door to door by merrymaking carolers since 1862.
The halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, la 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 la. Throw the ancient Yuletide carol, la 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 la. See the blazing you before us, la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus, la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, la 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 la. While we tell the Yuletide treasure, la 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 la. Passed away the old year passes, la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lassies, la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, la 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 la.
Tinsel?
Sorry.
Heedless of the wind and weather, la 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 la. La 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 la.
the romance, the berets. Where are the berets?
I want a beret. I hope you brought one for me.
Ooh, this one's for you. You gotta take
Oh.
that one off though. Here
Okay.
you go. You're gonna look so cute in that. You get the yellow
Ooh,
one.
what color do I get? I hope I get a fun color.
Red one, and you
I
get.
hope
Oh.
I get the
Well,
black one.
I think it'll look great on you,
Thank you. Oh,
All right.
special.
buddy. Ooh, how do I look?
You are definitely pulling that off.
Fantastic.
Well, little history, everyone. Il est né in French means he is born. Le divin enfant means the holy child. So we welcome our newborn king in French.
Through long ages of the past, prophets have foretold his coming. Through the long ages of the past, now the time has come at last. Il est né le divin enfant, joué au roi est né Musette. Il est né le divin enfant, chantons tous son événement. Through long ages of the past, prophets have foretold his coming. Through the long ages of the past, now the time has come at last.
He is born the divine Christ
Il est né.
Pipes merrily. He is born the divine Christ
Il est né.
the Savior's birth.
Il est né le divin enfant, joué au roi est né Musette. Il est né le divin enfant, chantons tous son événement.
Il est né le divin
Il est né le divin
Joué au
enfant,
roi est né
joué au roi est né Musette. Il est né, chantons tous son événement.
Woohoo! I feel like I just came from France.
Great job, Sophie. Here's mine back.
Thank you.
Okay, next up we're going to Venezuela, where they too are going to see the newborn king. Now this song is entitled El Berrito de Belén, which means the little donkey from Bethlehem. And why I love this song so much is you all get to sing along. You guys want to do that? Awesome. Well, your part is really fun, okay? I'm gonna sing it for you so I can give you an example and then I will teach you. So you're gonna go like this. Si me ve, voy camino de Belén. Si me ve, voy camino de Belén. Okay, you guys wanna try it? We're gonna start with the first verse. Si me ve. Oh, you guys got the whole thing. Look at that, I didn't even need to break it up.
Voy camino de
Again, the whole thing. Si me ven, voy camino de Belén. Again.
Si me ven, voy camino de Belén.
Awesome. That in English means if you see me coming, I'm going to Bethlehem. So, make sure you sing when I cue you. Let's get this fiesta started.
Aroo!
Con mi porrito sabanero voy camino de Belén. Con mi tonito sabanero voy camino de Belén. Si me ven, voy camino de Belén. Si me ven, On my little donkey to Bethlehem I'll ride.
Tookie, 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 tookie. Tookie, 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 tee.
On my little donkey, going to see the newborn king. Con mi burrito sabanero voy camino de Belén. Con mi burrito sabanero voy camino de Belén. Si me ven, si me ven, si me ven.
Si me ven,
Voy camino
de Belén.
with my donkey of Savannah. I'm going to Bethlehem. With my donkey of Savannah, I'm going to Bethlehem. Si me ven,
Si me ven, voy camino de Belén.
si me ven, si me ven.
Voy camino de Belén. Tookie, 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 tookie. Tookie, 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 ta.
On my little donkey to Bethlehem I'll ride.
Tookie, 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 tookie. Tookie, 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 tee.
On my little donkey, going to see the newborn king. Con mi burrito sabanero voy camino de Belén. Con mi burrito sabanero voy camino de Belén.
Si me ven, voy camino de Belén. Si me ven,
Con mi
voy
burrito.
camino de Belén. Si me ven, voy camino
Si me ven, si me ven, si me ven.
Si me ven, voy camino de Belén. Si me ven, voy camino de Belén.
Si me ven, si me ven, voy camino de Belén. Si me ven, si me ven, voy camino de Belén. Thank you. You guys sounded great.
That's a long journey on that donkey. Woo!
Moving from South to Central America, this musician, Jose Feliciano, wrote this next song while missing his family and Christmas traditions way back in 1970.
I don't think they know what it is.
Today, it's still recognized by ASCAP as one of the most popular Christmas songs played around the world, from Germany to the Czech Republic. You guys know this one, I think, so why don't you join along?
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Próspero año de felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Próspero año de felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Próspero año de felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Próspero año de felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Horn section. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
You too, thank you.
All right, guys, next up, we head to Jerusalem for the most amazing Hanukkah celebration. There, we'll dance the Hora, a traditional Jewish circle dance, and the children will play with dreidels, toy spinning tops.
Hey, and my favorite part about this is I get to eat potato latkes, which if you don't know, those are potato pancakes, and I am carb loading for the holidays, because
Aren't we all?
Written in 1912, this is O Hanukkah.
Hanukkah, 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 Hanukkah,
Gather round the table, bring you a treat. Ladles to play with and likeness to read. And while we are praying, the candles are burning in love. One for each night when you shared a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, light the menorah. Let's have a party while love tells the horror. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat. Cradles to play with and likeness to read. And while we are praying, the candles are burning in love. One for each night when you shared a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. One for each night you shared a sweet light to remind us of days long ago.
What a fun one.
All right, next up, we're going to Australia. Put another shrimp on the barbie, an esky in the boot, and all that. You guys ready for this?
I think we should do it.
Now, in Australia, for those of you that don't know, Australia takes place with Christmas. It's the summer over there, and that's what we're going to be singing about. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Hit it! Rushing through the bush in an open holding ute, picking up a dust, esky in the boot, Skippy by my side, singing Christmas songs. It's summertime and I am in my singlet, shorts and thongs. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Christmas in Australia on a scorching summer's day. Hey, jingle bells, Christmas time's a beaut. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a rusty Holden ute. That's a rusty Holden pickup, for those of you who don't know what a rusty Holden ute is.
Absolutely.
An engine's getting hot. Dodge the kangaroo. Swaggy humps aboard. He's welcome to all the families there, sitting by the pool. Christmas Day, the Aussie way up by the barbecue. Oh,
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Christmas in Australia on a scorching summer's day. Hey, jingle bells, Christmas time's a beaut. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a rusty Holden ute. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a rusty Holden ute.
1, 2, here we go.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a scorching summer's day. Hey, jingle bells, Christmas time's a beaut. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a rusty Holden ute. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a rusty Holden ute.
I want Outback now.
you gotta just keep going, right?
Well, Kwanzaa is celebrated from December 26th through the 1st of January. Kwanzaa is mostly celebrated in USA, but its roots are of African tradition. Kwanzaa comes from the phrase Mutanda Yi Kwanzaa, which means first fruits in Swahili language. And this song will describe the days of Kwanzaa and the African tradition of unity, purpose, and faith.
Ujamaa, economic supporting our community.
The fifth day of Kwanzaa, we call it Nia. Purpose, purpose, I have a purpose.
The sixth day of Kwanzaa, we call it Kuumba, creativity.
Last day of Kwanzaa, we say Imani. That's what we call play.
Kwanzaa, Kwanzaa, celebration. Everybody sing now Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa, Kwanzaa, celebration.
Oh na na na, oh na na na.
Kwanzaa, Kwanzaa, celebration.
Come on and celebrate.
Kwanzaa, Kwanzaa, celebration, celebration.
I love that one. It's so upbeat. So great.
Next, we travel to the German countryside, home of the traditional folk song, O Tannenbaum. Fun fact.
Fun fact. My turn, guys. Fun fact. So the original lyrics weren't even about Christmas at all. The song refers to fir trees' evergreen quality as a symbol of constancy and faithfulness.
Fun fact number 2, when I leave my Christmas tree up till February, it turns from an evergreen to an ever brown.
Oh.
Yeah, kids, don't dry that at home.
Oh, yeah. It wasn't even until people started decorating Christmas trees in the 19th century that this became a popular Christmas carol.
Published in 1912? Sorry, it wasn't published in 1912, but we like to sing this song for Santa, and it's O Tannenbaum.
O Tannenbaum, wie treu sind deine Blätter. O Tannenbaum, wie treu sind deine Blätter. Du grüßt nicht nur zur Sommerzeit, nein auch im Winter, wenn es schneit. O Tannenbaum, wie treu sind deine Blätter.
Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Your boughs so green in summertime, stay
wie treut sind deine Blätter.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches.
Du grüßt nicht nur zur Sommerzeit,
Stay bravely green in a winter time.
O Tannenbaum, O Tannenbaum, how lovely are thy branches. O Tannenbaum, O Tannenbaum, how lovely are thy branches.
I love talking about Christmas trees. I hope y'all got one this year. We got a live one. So now we're gonna take Santa's sleigh to New Zealand, where Sticky Beak the kiwi, that bird from down under, he's up to no good. He's a nosy little guy. So we're gonna go ahead and sing about him today.
Yes, now guys, this carol gets really wild because it mentions a platypus, a kangaroo, an emu. What?
Okay, but you guys get to be a part of it. So, in the song, I'm gonna say Sticky Beak 2 times. So you guys have to say that along with me, okay? So we're gonna do a practice run. On the count of 3, we're gonna say Sticky Beak, okay? 1, 2, 3. Sticky Beak, Sticky Beak. Oh, wow, you guys are good. I think they're ready.
I think they are too.
Let's hit it! Now Sticky Beak the kiwi, that bird from way down under, has got a great commotion, and it isn't any wonder. He's notified old Santa Claus to notify the reindeer that he will pull the Christmas sleigh in the southern hemisphere. Lots of toys for girls and boys along the Christmas sleigh. He will take the starlight trail along the Milky Way. Hear the laughing children as they shout aloud with glee. Sticky beak, be sure to follow me. Now every little kiwi and every kangaroo too, wallaby, the waka, and the platypus and emu have made themselves a Christmas tree with stars and shining bright, so they can see the way to go along the sleigh tonight. Lots of toys for girls and boys along the Christmas sleigh. He will take the starlight trail along the Milky Way. Hear the laughing children as they shout aloud with glee. Sticky beak, be sure to call on me. Hear the laughing children as they shout aloud with glee. Sticky beak, be sure to call on me. That's a fun one, guys. I like the little kiwis.
Now, whenever we go to Russia, Santa likes to hear songs from his favorite Russian ballet.
He's classy.
This Russian ballet is written by Tchaikovsky about a little girl who meets a nutcracker that comes to life every Christmas Eve and wages battle against the evil Mouse King.
That's right, and although we don't sing any Russian in this song, we do sing on the syllable da, which in Russian means yes.
So, Tinsel, are you ready to sing this song?
Da. serious question to ask all of you. How many of you feel like we just did this Christmas season like last year, right? Let me see, show of hands. It feels like no time has gone by, right? We were just here. Well, this next song from the Philippines is about just that.
Pasko na Naman is one of the most popular Tagalog Christmas songs in the Philippines. Pasko na naman, it's Christmas time again. Pasko na daang, time flies by so fast. Mayo na paso, it's already here. Ngayong na Pasko, now it's time to sing. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na naman muli. Time flies by, but we are glad it's Christmas time. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na naman muli. The day of love is here already. Pasko na naman, it's Christmas time again. Pasko na naman, time flies by so fast. Ngayon ay Pasko, it's already here. Ngayon ay Pasko, now it's time to sing. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na naman muli. Time flies by, but we are glad it's Christmas time. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na naman muli. The day of love is here already. Time! Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na naman muli. Time flies by, but we are glad it's Christmas time. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na naman muli. The day of love is here already.
Kalikimaka is a thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we say to you on the land where palm trees sway. We know that Christmas will be green and bright. Stars will shine by day and all the stars at night. Kalikimaka is the wise way to say Merry Christmas to you.
Hey, you guys sound really great, but we started off the song with just me, so maybe we should just keep doing that, you know?
Oh, but we sing as a group.
Yeah, and you sound really, really good, but I'm gonna take it from here, okay? So like I said, why don't you go take a break?
Just because he's Hawaiian.
Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas to you.
Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day.
That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway.
Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright.
The sun to shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is a wise way to say Merry Christmas.
Merry, Merry Christmas.
To say Merry Christmas to you. Original German, Stille Nacht, way back in 1818.
Now it's translated in all languages imaginable, and we're going to sing some of those for you tonight. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round young virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild.
Kraft einsam wacht, nur das traute hochheilige Paar. O der Nab im lakigen Haar, schlaf in himmlischer Ruh, schlaf in himmlischer Ruh.
Noche de paz, noche de amor, todo en derredor. Entra sus astros y esparcen su luz, ve anunciando al niñito Jesús. Brilla la estrella de paz, brilla la estrella de paz.
Sante Nui, dans les cieux, l'astre les mystères annoncent accomplis. Cet enfant sur la panne endormi, c'est l'amour infini, c'est l'amour infini. Silent night, holy night, Son of God, relax your light, radiant peace from thy holy face, with the dawn of redeeming grace. Jesus, Lord, at thy birth. Jesus, Lord, at thy birth.
Sleep in heavenly
So beautiful.
Anna's favorite songs from right here in the U.S. It's Santa Claus is coming to town! Hit it!
Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
All right, everybody, come on.
Santa's coming to town.
You better watch out.
You better watch out.
You better not cry.
You better not cry.
You better not pout.
Look out.
I'm telling you why.
Here he comes.
Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list,
Making a list.
checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty or nice.
Here he comes.
Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been better than
For goodness sake.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. All right, SeaWorld, we went around the world in one night, so we want you up on your feet and we want you to shake it with all of us. You ready? Here we go. Shake it, baby. Shake it, baby. Ooh, yeah. All right. Shake it, baby. Shake it, baby.
He's coming back.
He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake.
He knows if you've been bad or good.
So be goodness sake.
You better watch out, you better stand back, better not pout, I'm telling you that Santa Claus is coming to town.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Santa Claus is coming to town. He's coming back. Yeah.
Thank you for joining us around the world in one night. I'm Barry.
I'm Sophie.